Hello everyone, it's me Zach here, and today, welcome back to another video. But today, we are not doing any games or anything. We are doing a review on Stream Deck. To be precise, Elgato Stream Deck. As soon as I got it, I've absolutely loved it. Let me show you. Welcome to the Stream Deck. So I use this for all sorts of different things, not just for streaming and recording. I can use it to show up all my games. So first of all, this is the OBS Studio's little button, and that opens this. Then I can start streaming if I wanted to, and then, I don't know if you can see it, I can press start, which is what it's doing. And then I've got webcam, game and webcam, be right back, which looks like this, and then stream ending. Then record, and I can unmute and mute my mic. When we go into the stream, I can welcome people to the stream, ask how they are, saying I'm having a few technical issues, and then stream ending. These are my games. I have Train Simulator, Battlefront Ultimate Edition, Battlefront 2, updated this year, Snake Bus, Tabs, Trackmania Turbo, Minecraft, and my Instagram. Not only does it allow streaming and recording, it allows to do other things. So if I go into this little app icon, I have all my Zoom stuff. So from here, I can control all my Zoom stuff by switching off my camera, muting my mic, and leaving. And if we go back to here, we go back to the main thing. So you've seen all this. So you're probably thinking, can it help you edit? The answer is yes. If I go to this and I scroll through all these different little symbols, this is a puzzle one, like the little pieces moving around. Then go through this one. This is what I use to edit all my videos. So obviously I use Resolve Davinci, but in Resolve Davinci, these are the different symbols that I use to edit my videos. And if we go back again, it goes back to the main page. So I have the XL because, well, there are three types of it. You get the standard 6 version, which is a bit smaller than this. And I think you get a 16 and a 32. That's what I've got. This really does help me quite a lot. So there we go. That's the review on Elgato Stream Deck XL, and I think it is very useful. I've looked on the website, and on the websites that you get it from, it has really good reviews. Highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting it. It is brilliant. It has, well, it will help me for a lot of things. Yeah, that's what I think of the Stream Deck XL version of it. Well, thank you very much everyone for watching today's review on it, and please do not forget to press that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell and hit that like button. Thank you very much everyone for watching. I will leave in the description to this website where you can get it, and we'll see you all very soon. Goodbye.